From me to daddy ko.
Excited one. Test drive. Yeah. Thank you. Mavic Mini Combo.
Okay, kalau pa dali ko sa gawas ka.
Thank you.
Ora?
Unboxing. Mavic Mini for, you know,
Fly everywhere.
fly everywhere. Ooh, scary.
Very
You know,
we cannot
Mavic Pro 2 is only for professionals. If you like to buy,
for every day.
no. If you like to buy a drone, I would suggest you to buy the Mavic Mini. Why? Because you will learn how to fly it manually without all the sensors. Though it has the sensors, some sensors, but still, you can train yourselves how to avoid obstacles manually. Unlike Mavic Pro 2 and Mavic Pro 2 and whatsoever, it has several sensors that. Come on, mo to. So yeah, Mavic. Yeah.
So it comes with what's that?
But anyways, Mavic Mini, it comes out with box. And another box.
That's
And
for.
another box.
There's a lot of box. That's why.
And another box. I wonder what's inside. So that's all.
Thank you.
That's all inside the Mavic Mini box.
So box.
This is it. This is it. Wow! Yahoo!
Wow!
There you go. It's so light. It is only. It is.
Oo.
It's just a plastic. Relax. So it only weighs.
Relax.
Another picture. It only weighs 249 grams. See? So very light. So-
Sa phone. How big?
So how big is it?
This is the
The
eye.
smallest phone. So in aviation thingy, which is laws in flying a drone, you cannot fly anywhere a drone if it is 250. You need to have a license. Pero kani, you don't need to have a license. You can fly anywhere because it is 249 only.
And
It's
there's
very light.
Wow!
Very light. There is also a restriction for flying a drones. You also have to abide it. Because you're in Canada, you're not in the Philippines. Yahoo! Okay, so I'm gonna try this tonight. How to fly this one?
Palit ang black.
In restricted zones, you can fly Mavic Pro, the normal ones. But this one, you can fly it
Everywhere.
everywhere.
Alright.
Alright, and another box inside. Yahoo! Yes, the charger and another box. I don't know what that is.
You have the combo.
Yeah, I will try this tonight. We'll see how it goes.
Tonight. Yahoo!